Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss about this exercise 7.1, this calculus, that means integral part. Okay, this is for class 12. So this question is find an antiderivative, okay, derivative or integral antiderivative or integral of the following functions by the method of inspection. Okay, see one number, this one question is sine 2x. So sine 2x, now integration I have to do. So how to do? So let this one is y equal to sine 2x, okay, this one, or you can write this like direct, this one, or you can write direct, okay, direct sine integration sine 2x dx, okay, integration sine 2x dx, this is formula, direct formula is there, or formula is this one, see, integration sine mx dx, integration sine mx dx equal to what? Cos minus cos 2x divided by minus cos mx divided by m, this is mx. So sine mx dx, integration sine mx dx equal to minus cos mx divided by m plus c, this is formula. So here integration sine 2x dx, you can write minus cos mx, m here m is 2, so mx divided by m plus c, or you can write minus half of cos 2x plus c, okay, this one. Second number cos 3x, this one is same, therefore integration cos 3x dx, okay, like this you can do. Integration cos mx dx, same here, suppose this is mx, so integration cos mx dx, integration cos mx dx, formula is what? Sine mx divided by m plus c, okay. So how to write? Integration cos mx dx, so you can write sine mx divided by m plus c, this is integration constant, okay, equal to 1/3 sine mx plus c, this is formula, okay. Third number e to the power 2x, this is how to do e to the power 2x. So e to the power 2x, now integration, write this one, integration dx, so integration e to the power mx dx, this is formula actually, e to the power mx dx, integration e to the power mx dx, that means e to the power mx divided by m plus c, so formula is e to the power mx dx, then e to the power mx dx, e to the power mx divided by m plus c, so here same, this is m, so e to the power mx divided by m plus c equal to half of e to the power 2x plus c, this is okay. Now question number 4, ax plus b square, that means a plus b whole square, so you can write x square plus 2 a b plus b square equal to Now s square x square plus 2abx plus b square. Okay, now therefore integration x square plus 2abx plus b square dx. Okay, this whole part, the whole part you can use this one, this integration symbol. After that, inside the bracket this part write, then dx. Now you can separate this one. So how to separate? See, integration x square dx plus integration 2abx dx plus integration b square dx. Now this part is constant, so keep outside s square and x square dx plus 2ab, this one also constant, so outside you keep x dx plus b square also constant, then outside. Okay, now this is formula. This formula is what? Formula is x square, this one is x square outside, and this one integration x to the power n. This formula into the integration x to the power n dx. So x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is formula. So like this, x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus c1 for this one. 2ab integration x dx, here 1, so integration 1 plus 1 integration, this is integration x to the power 1 dx na, so x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus c2 plus b square integration dx is x plus c3. So you can write here s square x square divided by 3 into x to the power cube, that means x cube, plus 2ab divided by 2, 1 plus 1 then 2, x square into x square plus bx cube plus c. So c1 plus c2 plus c3 equal to c. Since, okay, this one. So answer is this one. Understood? Now question number 5. This question number 5. Sine 5 number sine 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x. Okay, so this one also easy one. See how to do. Integration symbol first, right? Therefore sine 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x dx. Okay, dx. Now you can separate this one first, after this one. So integration sine 2x dx minus integration 4 e to the power 3x dx. Now integration sine mx dx. So integration sine mx dx is what? Minus cos mx divided by m plus c1 minus this one 4 is constant. So integration, this is 4 is constant, you can write like this, e to the power 3x dx. This is 3. So minus half of cos 2x plus c1 minus 4 integration e to the power mx dx. So e to the power mx divided by m plus c2. So half minus half cos 2x minus 4 by 3 e to the power 3x plus c, since c1 plus c2 equal to c. Okay, so this is integration constant. Understood? This is for 5 number. And 6 number, this 6 number also easy one. 6 number here. Integration, this is find the following integrals. Okay, so integration 4 e to the power x, 4 into e to the power 3x plus 1 dx. Now you can separate integration 4 e to the power 3x dx plus integration dx. 1x means dx same, 1 into d then dx. Now this is constant term 3x dx plus dx. 4 integration e to the power mx dx, so e to the power mx divided by m plus c1 plus integration dx value is integration dx is x only, so x plus c2. So 4 by 3 e to the power 3x plus x plus c, since c1 plus c2 equal to c, capital C. Okay, so this much. So today is this much. Next video I will discuss this 7 number, 8 number like this. Okay, so please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.